I'm making this video because as I was pouring the antifreeze in, it's leaking back out. See that? Your radiator is leaking. I don't know if it just got busted when y'all had an overheat last time, but this is a video. You see that dripping down there? See that? It's coming from up here. It's coming from right here. So this radiator is gonna be replaced. Y'all cannot drive this car. So you have more issues. I started pouring the antifreeze in and it leaked in out at the bottom. That's why you have no antifreeze in your radiator. It's leaking out the side of the radiator. So I guess by it running hot last time when your wife was in it, it put a hole in the radiator now. See that? It's dripping all down here at the bottom. See that? See that? See that? Your radiator is bad. That got to be replaced also.